Quiz 7, question 1 asks, which is a reflex angle? And we know a reflex angle is more than 180 degrees, but it is less than 360. So we can see that shape A looks like that. It's less than 90 degrees. So it's not that one. Shape B looks like that, and that's also less than 90 degrees. So it's not that one. Shape C looks like it is a right angle, a 90-degree angle, which means it is not C. And shape D, then angle D is this way, is larger than 180, but it's less than a full rotation, so we'll say that yes, it is D. Let's look at question 2 now. How many grams in 0.1 of a kilogram? That's question 2. So we know that 1 kilogram is 1000 grams. 0.1 as a fraction is 1/10. So what is 1/10 of 1000? We can knock away our zeros and we're left with 100 grams. So 0.1 is the same as 100 grams. Question 3. What number is halfway between 17 and 31? So we're looking for a number that's halfway between the two. Now, a simple way of doing this would be to write the numbers out. 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 24, 25, 26. Make a bit more space. 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. So we can knock them off, one from each side. 18 and 30, 19, 29, 20, 28, 21 and 27, 22 and 26, 23 and 24, which means that 24 is halfway between 17 and 31. Question 4. After spending 3/4 of my money, I had 15 cents left. So if I spent 3/4, I had 1/4 left, and we know that that is 15 cents. How much had I at first? So we know that a whole amount is 4/4, which means that's 15 times 4. 4 times 5 is 20. Down my 0 and carry up my 2. 4 times 1 is 4 and 2 is 6. So my whole amount of money at the start was 60 cents. Question 5. What would a man earn in a 35-hour week at the rate of €8.25 an hour? So it's €8.25 multiplied by 35. So we'll start with our 5. 5 times 5 is 25. Put down my 5 and carry up my 2. 5 times 2 is 10 and 2 is 12. Put down my 2 and carry up my 1. 5 times 8 is 40 and 1 is 41. Put down my 0. 3 times 5 is 15, put down my 5, carry up my 1. 3 times 2 is 6 and 1 is 7. 3 times 8 is 24, put down my 2 and my 4 and add them all up. 5 plus 0 is 5, 5 plus 2 is 7, 7 plus 1 is 8, 4 plus 4 is 8, and 2 plus 0 is 2. Now I need to back in my decimal, so it's 2 decimal places. So my full working week would get me €288.75. Question 6. Opposite lines of a rectangle are they parallel or perpendicular? Now we know that parallel lines run like that, or they can run like this. Perpendicular lines run in opposite directions. So which are they in a rectangle? We know a rectangle is shaped like this. So this line is parallel to that one, and this one is parallel. So rectangular has parallel lines. Question 7. Write 0.75 as a fraction in its lowest term. So we can put 75 over 100. We can break that down and say that 25 goes into 75 3 times and it goes into 100 4 times. So 3/4 is 0.75 in its lowest terms. Question 8. A bag weighs 800 grams. How many bags weigh 4 kilograms? And we know that 4 kilograms, we can write that as 4,000 grams. So really what they're asking us is how many 800s are in 4,000. So So I can immediately knock away my zeros, and I know that 8 goes into 45 times, which means 5 bags is my answer. Question 9. Question 9 then, what is the next term in this sequence? So we've got 1, 3, 9, 27 and a blank. So I know that I have to multiply 1 by 3 to get 3. If I multiply by 3 again, I get 9. And if I multiply by 3 again, so now I need to say what's 27 times 3. So very quickly, 27 times 3, 3 times 7, 21. 3 times 2 is 6, and 2 is 8. So my next number is 81. Now question 10. What is the perimeter of this shape? And our shape, if we look at it, it looks like this. So it is a kite. And if my top is 35 centimeters, this other one must be 35. And my two longer sides then must both be 70. Right, so let's add up for my perimeter. I add up the outside of the shape. So I've got 35, 35, 70 plus 70. 5 plus 5 makes 10, put down as in carry off my 1, 7 and 7 is 14 and 1 is 15, plus 3 is 18, 18 plus 3, 21. So my perimeter of my shape is 210 centimeters.